Nice to meet you folks. Welcome to Character Elimination. Last time Nancy got eliminated. We did a challenge of drawing a picture.
And Alice is the one who drew the most inappropriate picture for us. So the life wishers are yet again up for elimination. Let's go to the elimination tent.
How are you today, contestants? I'm Josh the Stardust Robot.
And I'm Sally, and we will be prize handlers. Let's start with the prize votes.
Russia, Ukraine, Alice, Dory, Iran, Rosie, Israel, Bulgaria, Sweden, Norway, Syria, Lightning McQueen, and Jordan have no prize votes.
Ireland, Brendan, and Turkey got 1 vote.
Thomas gets 2 votes.
And Palestine with 5 votes, wins the prize.
And the prize is kanafe, a Palestinian dessert.
Yum. I love kanafe. My favorite dessert. Thank you.
You're welcome, Palestine. Let's get into the elimination votes.
I have 17 cones of ice cream. If you don't get one, then you're eliminated.
Palestine, Lightning McQueen, Ireland, and Jordan are safe with 1 vote.
Thomas, Rosie, and Bulgaria are safe with 1 vote.
Norway, Sweden, and Ukraine are safe with 3 votes.
Brendan and Israel are safe with 8 votes.
Russia, Turkey, and Syria are safe with 15 votes.
Dory is safe with 27.
Now it's down to Iran and Alice. We wonder who's going home.
Iran is the last one safe with 36 votes.
And Alice is eliminated with 43 votes. What? Why did I get eliminated?
Well, it's because you drew a Nazi farthing on German, which is an inappropriate picture.
Come with me to the cannon of shame.
Any final words, Alice?
I promise we'll be back again.
The 5th challenge is Cooking Club. Whichever one of the teams cooks the perfect food, who wins?
Whichever one of the teams most score, will win the challenge. Ready. Go.
Which food you made?
I made you spaghetti and meatballs.
Righto. Let's taste it together.
Wow, Ping. You made the best Italian food in the world.
20 out of 10. Next please.
Which food did you made?
I made you croissants drilled with chocolate.
Righto. Let's taste it together.
Wow, France. The chocolate drizzle makes a good touch.
9 out of 10. Next please.
Which food did you made?
I made you a chocolate sponge cake.
Righto. Let's taste it together.
Wow, Sweden. This has an awesome chocolate flavor.
7 out of 10. Next please.
Which food did you made?
I made the most delicious cookies.
This could be spicy, but I'll just pass on that cookie.
I filled it with the world's special sauce.
Oh my gosh. Dark Dimentio. I cannot believe you made the world's spiciest cookies with your spiciest sauce. And my boyfriend's mouth is burning on fire. You know you can't treat him like that. That's it. You get 0 out of 10. Plus, your team is up for elimination.
Alright, Dark Dimentio made the spiciest cookies, and his team is up for elimination.
Oh, and of course, the Lifesavers has won.
Vote for who to be eliminated and to get the prize. Pink made the best food for us, so he gets immunity and his prize votes will add in total.
Yes. I'm so lucky to have immunity.
Oh, as for you, Dark Dimentio, you get a penalty.
Oh, what is it?
You have to hold the sign that says vote me out.
No. Dimentio is going to be so angry when he sees this. No.
So yes. Vote for him to be eliminated and Pink to give the prize.
Oh, and there is no need to vote to get the handling out the prize because Kimberly the Yellow Designer Gal 1997 is going to do it.